we've done a lot of work again today. We've cleared a lot of Himalayan balsam. We've widened these pathways to make it accessible for all users. We bought that good money from grants from the council, been good. And obviously they've done a great job providing us training for not just that, first aid, everything really, advising us on pruning techniques. They've been really supportive of the group, really, been very good.
Well, they even come down here sometimes to give a hand.
They do, yeah, they are quite proactive.
We've done a load of planting in the meadow there, crop planting, and we have the council people down.
Oh, good sense of satisfaction, just community in it, really.
We just think of it as our local, extension of our back garden. We could always do with more volunteers.
I've only been doing it for a year because during lockdown I used to walk down here an awful lot and I felt as though I have to give something back to the community.
Tarpaulin, Travis Perkins cans, foil, bit of burnt barbecue.
It's all very random stuff that could all be recycled but people just pull up and dump them. A lot of people are very grateful for what we do, which is really
a lot of people thank us as they pass us by.